girls! Last time I reformed a man's shirts into a mini dress, and now I'm going to make a passport bag with the remaining sleeve pieces. You don't need a lot of fabric, so try making it using leftover fabric. I'm providing the pattern for free for you, so please check the description below. Cut the quilting cotton, excluding a 1 cm seam allowance. I will give you a little tip on how to quilt. The cotton I used is adhesive cotton. If you don't have adhesive cotton, you can use double-sided interfacing and stick it between the fabric and the cotton. Then, if you attach a thin interfacing to the cotton will not move during quilting. Also, here's my another tip. If you use sandpaper when quilting, you can use at regular intervals without the fabric moving. Then, iron the fabric after quilting. Sew 1 cm the outer and lining fabric right sides respectively, and cut the seam allowance at the bottom of the bag. Then open the seam allowance and sew 1 cm to make the bottom of the bag. The outer and lining fabric right sides together and sew 1 cm. And cut the seam allowance to 0.3 cm. Sew 1 cm along the side seam of the back strap. Then turn the strap over. After ironing the strap, top stitch it by 0.2 cm. Before sewing the strap, mark it to prevent it from getting twisted. Then sew 0.5 cm to the side of the bag. And now we will attach the cover. Place the bag and the cover right sides together on the side opposite to where the bottom will be placed. And sew 0.5 cm. Turn the lining inside out, insert it into the outer fabric, and sew 1 cm apart, excluding the 7 cm opening. Turn the bag over through the opening. Then stitch the opening. Lastly, attach the snap button to the appropriate location. If you have any label, please attach it. The bag becomes much cuter. So now, the Fly Me bag containing a passport, cell phone, small wallet was complete.